Okay, just to show you kind of what I'm dealing with here and how fickle uh, the JavaScript can be. So right here I have opened up, this is Microsoft Code. And then this is the most popular, I think, way to code right now. You can even get Microsoft Code on Mac. In fact, that's what my teacher is programming on. He's teaching on Mac. And then over here, I just opened up random, just hello. Perfect. I don't care. And you can do on Google Chrome and a lot of other things. They have stuff like inspect, so you can inspect, and then I have the console opened up here, so I can show you kind of what I'm doing. So when you're dealing with math in JavaScript, there can be objects, and there can be variables, and there can be arrays too. And then so you need to know how these things operate with each other, and it's really hard to memorize. So it's just a constant challenge that you're going to constantly have to be referencing diagrams and retraining yourself in this little piece of math so you can get some code done. At least that's what my teacher's been telling us. And so let's say let x, so a bit of algebra here, let x equal, yeah, that's perfect. Let x equal, so I'm going to create an object. So if you put it in these quotation marks here, so 4. So 4 plus 4, there we go. Shit. And yeah, that's what I wanted to do. 4 plus 4, and then CLG. So what you'd normally expect to happen is that 4 plus 4 is going to equal 8, right? But since this is an object, and this is the only, I think it's the only attribute that works like this. So what are we gonna get? So I can just copy this over here, and then I can paste it into this console so I can see how it's going to react. So if I press enter, it's like, that's not 4 plus 4. How can 4 plus 4 be 44? And then, we can add more stuff. And then, so it's going to, I can't remember if I do 4 times 4, what's going to happen now? Bam. So 176. Now that's pretty strange, because if I do 4 plus 4, so you can see that it did 44 and then it multiplied it by 4. But what happens if I do this instead? So it's this 4, which is an object, it's considered an object, and then plus 4, but you can see that it was just side by side and add them together. But this is still, this 44 is, this 44 is the value now. So mix the object plus this to create this value. It's so strange. And then, so yeah, I did that, plus 4. Okay, what was I doing? Copy, paste. Whoa, now we get 444. Now that's crazy. Now check this out. So if I do minus 4, what are we going to get? Now I know what we're going to get already. If you do minus 4, it's still going to, do minus 4. So it's 4 plus 4, which makes 44. But then minus 4, a regular 4, so it's a value of 4. These two, they're in green, and then this is red, so this is signifying that it's an object. And yeah, check it out. Copy, paste, 40. And yeah, Yeah, so that's what I'm dealing with.